Hey guys. Oh crap. So, this is another random video with Jade and Rachel. Right, so it's today's show. We're going to be cooking apparently now. We're going to Gordon Ramsay's for the day. 10 minutes, 20, I don't know. Right, today then, we're going to be cooking my favourite meal ever. Turkey burgers! First things first. Oh, look horrible. Put the oven on. Whatever it says here. And here. 200. So preheat it to 200. These going no, they got. They go on the oven now. They go on the 200. Yeah, put them on the grill as well. Well, I'm putting them in the grill today. Fat. Fine, you know. I should. And wash your hands because it's unhygienic when you sneeze and then you have to cook. So wash my hands. You may get one of my right now. Which one is fine? Any one you choose. It's my business. Which one is fine? What is this? Rabbit. Didn't think about. That's my Tinkerbell lady. Oh, sorry. So Joe tries to attack me. Right, so then guys, watch out, Rach, we need to film this. People does not know how to cook. That does not make any sense. People do not know how to cook. Jade, I cook 24/7. Chicken burgers. But 1, 2, 3. I'm doing one for my whole family. Jade. 4, 5. 6, they are so cute. 6, you put them in. Shut it. And now we just do random shit while we wait. Basically, right now, I'm standing here for a second. Oh, look how good. Ah. Right, she will keep you occupied for a bit. Me? Yeah, she will dance and whatever. Oh no, I'm going to show the little rabbit. Dance! Look, here's your little bunny rabbit. Hang on. If you please, she will dance. Look, it's a little bunny rabbit. How cute is. Look, how cute. How cutie. Cute. Jade, I think I might just like steal your rabbit. No, please don't steal my rabbit, right for them. I might just steal your rabbit. Right, after we finished. Oh crap. After we finished, we then put it back in. The fridge. Right, I'm Justin back. Bieber time. Do not think Justin Bieber in his house. Well, you're gonna have to tell him. Shut up. Hey, bunny rabbit. Right, you know what? Jade, I might just steal your rabbit. It looks so small and cute. Hey, bunny rabbit. Jade, I might just feed it. Anyway, let's continue with our things. So, shut up please, and we're recording. Shut up, we are recording here. Right, see you later, we'll